Today I am going to emphasize mostly on how to make money in the real estate, how to get rental returns, guaranteed rental returns out of the residential sector, which will be the key factor in future, and this sector is going to get boosted big way. Real estate was a total different ballgame in the past. People used to put whatever money they used to have, used to lend to the developers. They used to make interest on that. They used to buy on a cheaper rate and used to sell in a higher rate. That was the real procedure in the past. As demonetization happened, everything changed. See, a lot of investors dried down from the market. A lot of people converted their actual situations to this mutual fund, stock market, and other sectors compared to the real estate sector. Then RERA came. Then immediately the few months ago the crisis of NBFC happened. So builders stopped getting money from the private lenders, from NBFCs, another big blow to this industry. So, but in this duration, people lost money into the mutual fund, into the stocks, all these places also. The real estate sector again back to the situation where they see light into it, and this pandemic situation is created the value of the home so much that how the home is so important. And in this period, what was the best thing anybody could have is the best quality home. Whole world works on the rental value of the property. If we see Dubai 5-6%, if you see UK, Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, 2-3% of the rental value you get on your property value. It is almost like plus minus 1% of your FD rate over there. But when it comes to India, we are getting plus minus 6-7% in the FD rate, and in the rentals 2-3%, 2-2.5% on the higher side. This is the biggest drawback between the rental value and the property value. That is where the key factor that the rental value has to go up is the market moves up. Why the market rental value will go up? That is a very big question, and that is what I will explain in detail. This pandemic period has brought a humongous behavioral change into the people. The major behavioral change is because of uncertainty of the job, because of so many factors which is creating so much stress, so much fear among the people. That is the main reason. A lot of shifting going to take place because of this reason. A lot of reverse migration going to take place because of this reason. That is like people who started working from home in this period. A lot of school issues has come in this period. Education online has come into picture. The people working from home, wife working from home, students studying from home. So these are the various things causing a real need of a real good home in this period. The uncertainty where to live. There will be a lot of people will be shifting because of the job changes. Uncertainty where to live. So the service department, the rental housing, co-living spaces, student housing, these are the various things which are going to be a major role playing things in this time. In order to select any property which is to be rented out, what is the most important thing? First thing is the location. Second thing, we have to ascertain the demand and supply in that location. That is most key factor. How much growth of that area is happening? How much migration going to happen? What, how many people going to work in future in the that? How the growth of that location going to take place? That is very very important. When it comes to the social infra, that is also most important. Should have school, colleges, stations, everything next to it, plus the shopping areas, medical facilities, conveyance facilities, and your workplace. If it is close to you, is blessing in disguise. That is the most important thing. Your location has to be strong. Then it comes is the product. How the product should be. Why somebody will pay high rental to you? Your product should be very very good. He should not live into a service apartment or a hotel or something else. Okay, his home should be like that. He should feel like that everything is there under one roof. He can go for entertainment, he can go for shopping, he can go for walking, jogging, gymming, swimming, sports, and many things around. Plus, the product is fully ventilated. Product is having all kinds of technological features, Wi-Fi systems, fiber optic cable, all security provisions everywhere. Your things is operating on your mobile. These are the very very important for the future. Anybody working from home will require this. Anybody doing online education will require all these things. Then design of the house, the key factor, that will matter a lot, because the wife is working, the person you are working, then the kid is studying, parents are required to have their space. So all these design factors has to be incorporated into the future designs. Very very important thing. These factors will decide the rentals. Plus, how much commuting a person takes reaching to his job, how much money he spends in entertainment, going to the entertainment areas, going to the club areas, going to the school, and all that. How much closer you are to all these places. So you save a lot of money and time. Those factors are very very important while deciding any property, any decision, either on rent or on purchase. Both the buying a property, even renting a property, both the factors very choosy. Everybody is choosy. So all these factors, being an integrated complex with a quality feeling, feel like you are living in an apartment, having feeling of hotel, resort, is very important. Then you can spend a quality life, a happy living. That atmosphere is must.